Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You need current software and basic connectivity before you begin. First, confirm Watch OS and iPhone iOS are updated so sleep works smoothly. Next, make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are on and both devices are signed into the same iCloud account. Now open the Health app on your iPhone, tap Sleep, and follow the prompts to create a sleep schedule. This starts tracking and sync settings to your Apple Watch. Take these initial steps to avoid issues later. Once your schedule exists in Health, fine-tune the actual settings. On the iPhone, choose exact bed and wake times plus repeat days so the watch knows when to start sleep mode. Then enable wind down and add shortcuts you use before bed. These appear on your watch. On the Apple Watch, confirm haptics, theater mode rules, and sleep focus behavior so notifications are handled as you expect. Make sure your watch charges to at least 30% before bedtime to ensure a full night of tracking. Finish by wearing the watch snugly and confirming wrist detection and heart rate permissions. These improve accuracy. Once you wake, open Health on iPhone to review sleep data and trends. This verifies sync and shows refined sleep stages over time. If you don't see data or sleep mode didn't engage, restart both devices, check Bluetooth and iCloud, and re-enable sleep and health permissions. That one troubleshooting step, restart and recheck permissions, fixes most common sync and tracking problems.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.